you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mair and today I'm sharing honey garlic chicken pie. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy recipe again. So here I have 2 pounds of chicken breast. Get the whole chicken breast, cut it into cube forms, and for now we will take out our chicken and we will put the chicken in a separate bowl where we will marinate this. The whole key to this marination to be patient with, and the main ingredient, just by the name you can tell it, right? So the main ingredient is honey. There's honey in there, honey. All right, so 2 pounds of chicken breast, boneless. It's all healthy. Is here. Get blended garlic. Take at least 8 cloves of garlic, blend it, and just add right on top of it. Right, this is meat tenderizer. Take a whole spoon for the 2 pounds of chicken breast. Add right on top. Black pepper. For the 2 pounds of chicken breast, we will take 2 tablespoons of black pepper. Salt. Half tablespoon of salt for the 2 pounds of chicken breast. Take oil, any oil, vegetable oil, peanut oil, canola oil, soybean oil, salad oil, whatever suits you. Add 2 spoons of oil right on top of it. Okay, here goes our main ingredient right here. This is organic honey. Use organic honey for this recipe. So for the 2 pounds of our chicken breast, we will be using at least 4 tablespoons of organic honey. Let me put on some gloves. Alright, so large gloves for the large hands. Let's mix this thing. Oh, the gooey honey. Wow. The black pepper and the garlic. Oh my god, it looks so juicy already. Alright, so the meat tenderizer, the black pepper, and the garlic. So for now, we will just leave this mixture. If you see, this is all dipped up. This is what we need. We'll put this mixture on the side and we'll wait for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I have turned on my oven. After 20 minutes, let's see how we're gonna make our honey garlic chicken bites. You guys can make even spicy a little bit. You can add crushed chilies. Do you guys want me to do the crushed ones? I mean the spicy one. I can do that. Just by tasting it, I'm completely fine with it. But let's keep it this way. This is honey garlic chicken bites, and it's very easy peasy, as I said. So it's been 20 minutes of our marination for the chicken. Get a foil, like a big piece, get bamboo skewers, and for now, you'll just put the chicken breast in the skewers. Very easy. Just like that. Easy, right? So waiting for 20 minutes will definitely help for the marination to go all the way in the meat. The best time I would suggest is 24 hours, but mostly I share the recipes which you can do under 1 hour. So this is what it is. Once you put like at least 5 cubes, put it right here on top of your foil. So that's how you're gonna just cure the meat. It's like right on top of each other. We are cooking this in an oven, but we're gonna cook it like the way it's gonna be a steam oven roasted. So far 3 are done. I guess we can do 2 more or 3 more. Alright, so the last cubes of the chicken, they will go right here. These are a little bit skinny ones, so we'll just try to play with them to make it all even. Okay, so 5 skewers. It's already on top of our foil baking sheet. We'll put it right here. We'll transfer our whole marination right here on top of it. First of all, get a second piece of foil and just lay it right on top of it. Easy, right? Just fold the sides. It's gonna make itself an oven. Don't worry about these sides, it's all okay. We need a little bit air to come out, the steam. Otherwise it will be a juicy mess. We don't need that. We need a perfect soft mess. Take a skewer, make some of the holes right on top. Just like this. How beautiful it looks, right? Bottom is flat and the garlic honey chicken bites right on top in the skewers. We will bake these guys for at least 15 to 20 minutes at 425 degrees, and you will see these guys after 20 minutes maximum. This is after 20 minutes right here. Okay, I'm not sure it's done, but just want to take a look in there. The honey has water in there as well. It looks creamy, juicy. Oh yeah, check this guys. It's all juicily done. Let me take a bite with all the juices. Oh my, this is after approximately 22 minutes at 425 degrees. This is what we need. This is how you do it. Forget about the waters, the extra sauces and all that. So as I said, honey garlic, and here the sauce is just yum. Take a look here. This is again, oh, you can tell, right? 20 minutes. Take a look here. Put the fork here right on top and just bring it down and pull your bamboo stick out. It's like once you take a bite, it's gonna melt in your mouth. All in here, 2 pounds of chicken ready in 45 minutes. It's the best honey garlic chicken bites. So these are our 2 steamingly roast. Get the green onion, chop some green onion with the help of a chef scissor, or you can call it spring onion. Extremely healthy recipe, okay? So this is the moment of truth. Here is our first bite. What do you guys want me to do? Biggest or whatever? Let me go with the smallest. Oh my god, this is so soft. And the spring onion right on top. It's creamy, it's juicy, it's sweet, it has the black pepper touch, it has the salt. You want more honey? You want more sweet? Here you go. I just put the honey for you guys. So just want to tell you, if you're a fan of honey, you can do that. Drizzle some extra honey on your garlic honey chicken bites. Honey garlic chicken bites. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. Like the video actually, and subscribe to the channel. We are back with every other day new recipe and full of fun vlogs as well. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye for now.